When I moved to Atlanta, I left a whole lot of garbage here in New York, and in this video, I'm just going to be unboxing it. So I have these 2 giant Home Depot boxes, and I'm going to go through them and try and remember what I packed. And like, what are you doing? And basically I'm just gonna remember stuff. It'll be fun. It's like an unboxing video of stuff that I already know I had, so it'll be fun. Come on for the ride. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing I see right here is all my video stuff. And when I say video stuff, I mean like stuff that was in my videos. This is a fun one. I think it's lost its elasticity a little bit. I mean, yeah. It still look though. This was one of 2 Gilfazon wigs. I got this wig. How does it look? And one more wig. It's definitely not the clown one because that's what's on my head. Oh. I think the funniest thing about this is that I don't look any different than I usually do. Like, I think I bought this wig to be like, oh, let me try out the blonde, see how it looks. And now I am blonde, so it's like, who is she? We got the tiara, the classic tiara, the one that I stomped on in Dance Girls.
My tiara! Mom, how am I supposed to be a toddler? Mom!
My hair straightener. Oh, of course. How could I forget? My mustache. I don't think I ever wore it. I bought it to wear it, then I never did. My little wand. This is beautiful. I embroidered this. Wait. I embroidered this all by myself. Bunch of Max's collars. Oh my god. My Gilfazon glasses. I love them. Oh, that's nice. I found a quarter. This is my freshman high school like ID. I looked so good. Don't make me do it. Oh, there's okay. Thank you. Lol. Oh, lol. Oh, lol. Ow. Oh, lol. Clippy clip. My quill. Bro, this thing is amazing. I also have these wax sealing things and like a little stomper. And of course, how could we forget? Good old Minion Band-Aids. My favorite jeans. My favorite jeans. I found my favorite jeans. These are my favorite jeans, if you couldn't tell. I wore these for my Halloween costume junior year when I was 11, like the punk 11. I bought them from like H&M because they were like cheap and they're like mom jeans, but they're so comfortable. Oh my god. You could literally eat like 6 cakes and the jeans wouldn't even know. Ooh. And at the bottom we have my yearbooks. So good to know what's in here. So I'm gonna put it all back. I think the next box is a little bit more exciting. So we'll see. Alright, now let's dive right in. Okay. This is a box of stuff. I think I decorated this in like 4th grade or something. So don't make fun of it. Oh, of course. The most important thing is right on top. It's a sticker from Moe's when they had free queso day. When I moved, I took down all the stuff from my wall. Not all of it, but a lot of it. And so it's most of that stuff. So I've got Ellie's drawing of a minion. See, Ellie? I did keep it. I didn't throw it away. Then I've got drawing my brother did. Another drawing my brother did. If you know who this is, then you know. And another drawing with a sticker on it from a bagel place. I literally have a like Fresca wrapper. We've got my embroidery of me, my passport photo, of course. This picture that came with the wig that literally made me cry when I saw it. This thing from High School Musical, I don't even know. The postcard that Veronica sent me that is like from, did I ever show you guys this? I think I posted about it on my Finsta, but okay, this is what it says. Yo girl, I can't believe you knocked up my boyfriend. Now can't play the mini WWE championship because he's pregnant. Gosh, whatever, Frank misses you. And then it says Veronica is better than you. A varsity letter, but it's junior varsity because I didn't play varsity. Band sticker. More stickers from bands I like. Another sticker. Oh, 2 stickers. Oh, yes. Harry Potter chocolate frog cards. I've got this Pez machine, which is, I think, Hammy. What's his name? Another drawing my brother did. Ooh, another chocolate frog card. This one is Helga Hufflepuff. Okay, I've got some pictures. Picture of Max yawning. Picture of me before one of my birthday parties. Another picture of young Max with his ear inside out. Picture of all my stuffed animals, because those are important. Picture of me in a little football. Baxter, of course. And then Max in sunglasses. He's so handsome. Okay, this is fun. Okay, so this is a button from, it says me. The pin is from I went to the midnight release of Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, the book. And, so I got that pin. I've got some fetus Brooke in a, picture booth. Next, we've got a backpack that I bought impulsively. Let's see if I ever used this. I did. Okay, what's in here? This is a makeup bag. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, makeup. Wow, that's actually surprising. I think. Oh my god, no way. I just found 50 cents in pennies. Oh, no way. I just found $1. I'm a rich bitch. More makeup that I don't use and probably never will. Oh, shoot. Veronica FaceTimed me. Hi, sorry. What up?
Can you go errand with me?
Yeah. Say hi. Wait.
Hi, can we take it?
Take the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brief intermission?
Yeah, fun. That's actually fun. That's a good idea. Let's use some of this oil though. For real now. Veronica's getting home from tennis practice, so I'm gonna run some errands with her, and it's gonna be fun. Yeah. Let's skedaddle.
You bruh? Oh! I need some sunscreen. Can you peel it up?
Veronica, can you please focus on driving?
I can, but I don't like this angle of my face and you know it. So that's why I'm like this. Like Scoops, we gotta get out of here. My band-aid fell off.
Oh no, during practice?
Yeah.
Did it like fall out of your shirt?
Like off the ground. And I was like, oh my god. And then I was like, I can't just let it be. Cause like I'm the bitch that's like, oh my god, my band-aid. And then I was, don't put this in. It's going in.
It's going in.
And so I was like, oh my god, my band-aid. And then I was like, yeah, like, and I was like holding my stomach like this. And I was like, yeah, like, was laying out. I forgot sunscreen on my stomach in a little area, and I got like bad burn. I got bad burn. I got big Bernie Burner Sanders. Big Bernie Sanders. And yeah. She's got a rash. Listen, we don't know what it is. Guess what? We get 10 free prints at CVS.
So we're going to CVS?
So you get it too because you have
T-Mobile Tuesday.
Yeah, T-Mobile.
Sponsored by T-Mobile Tuesday.
Yeah.
T-Mobile, please give me money.
They're not giving you shit.
We're at the bank. At the bank. Here we are at the bank. Just like bank. They'll give it back. Shut up.
Give it back. Now it's time to get 10 free prints.
Woo woo.
For no apparent reason.
Woo woo. Can I get a woo woo?
In the chat. No.
Cookies. I'm so excited to eat these. Okay, I haven't had these crackers in an actual year, and I'm so excited.
Ew, I hate your crunching noise. I cannot. I can't.
That's the beauty of it.
Don't film me eating.
You can hear me eating in the back. They're so good.
Hey, Joanna, do you eat anything but little squash in a little bowl in your big oven?
She's in her oven, her Visco oven.
Me turning my baby squash into a hangout.
Oh no.
Is that later?
I don't know.
No.
And now we're back to doing what we were before. Okay, and we're back. And we're back. So, let's keep it going. My most prized possessions. My fanny packs. I think it was my 17th birthday. I bought myself a lockpick set. Let me show you how it's done, punk. I'm gonna scream. I'm going to scream. I'm gonna scream. Okay, so I still don't have it. I don't have it anymore. If I do this for any longer, I'm gonna actually scream, so we're gonna pretend like I got it. What I'm about to show you is my favorite thing I own. Maybe. I feel like I've said that about a lot of things, but this is not a joke. My GameCube. I got this for my birthday a little while ago. I think it was my birthday. A baseball signed by a bunch of people. I don't know who these people are though. And that is my boxes. I have some more stuff over there, but it's just books. Well, that's the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment what you want to see next. Bye. Oh my god. I finished filming the video and then I was trying to go back in the boxes to find those jeans that I really loved. And I was feeling around the bottom and I was like, what the heck is this at the bottom of my box? I'm just have to put it on to show you because I forgot. I completely forgot. And I can't believe I forgot. Bro, my Harry Potter robe was in there. I'm currently living right now. I'm living my best life, okay? I'm the coolest person I know.